contamination of natural environment that will be harmful to ecosystems is called as a pollution. म्हणजेच विद्यार्थ्यांनो, पोल्युशन म्हणजे प्रदूषण. नैसर्गिक पर्यावरणाचे परिसंस्थेला हानिकारक असे दूषितीकरण म्हणजेच प्रदूषण होय. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज पोल्युटंट्स म्हणजेच प्रदूषके. फॅक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग natural functions of ecosystem and causing harmful effects on abiotic and biotic factors called pollutants. Pollutants make environment poisonous, unhealthy. Pollutants may be natural or man-made. Natural pollutants are destroyed in due to course of time by nature's rule. However, man-made pollutants are not. There are three types of pollution. First, air pollution. Second, water pollution. And third is soil pollution. So, first is air pollution. म्हणजेच हवा प्रदूषण. Contamination of air by harmful substances like poisonous gases, smoke, particulate matter, microbes, etc. is called as a air pollution. म्हणजेच विषारी वायू, धूर, धूलिकण, सूक्ष्मजीव यांसारख्या घातक पदार्थांमुळे हवा दूषित होण्यास हवेचे प्रदूषण असे म्हणतात. रिझन्स ऑफ एअर पोल्युशन. नॅचरल रिझन्स अँड मॅनमेड रिझन्स. फर्स्ट, नॅचरल रिझन्स. व्होल्कॅनिक इरप्शन. सॉलिड, गॅसियस अँड लिक्विड मटेरियल्स इमर्ज आउट थ्रू इरप्शन. एक्झाम्पल, हायड्रोजन सल्फाइड, सल्फर डायऑक्साइड, कार्बन डायऑक्साइड, ammonium, chloride, hydrogen, vapors, dust, etc. And first man-made reason is fuel. Burning of fuel like coal, timber, LPG, kerosene, diesel, petrol releases carbon dioxide. Carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, lead compounds, etc. are released in air. And second, burning of solid waste, agriculture waste, etc. in open space causes air pollution. Second natural reason, earthquake. Poisonous gases and water vapors from inside the earth are released into air. And third is cyclones and dust storms. Dust, soil, garbage, pollens, microbes are mixed with air. And second man-made reason, industrialization. Smoke is released in large quantity from various factors: sulfur dioxide, sulfur powder, nitrogen oxide, cotton seed powder in air. And fourth natural reason is forest fires. Forest fire releases carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, smoke in air. And fifth is microbes in air. Spores of bacteria, fungi are mixed with air. And third man-made reason is atomic energy plants and blasts. Use of elements like uranium, thorium, graphite, plutonium release radiations in air and thus pollutions occurs. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, हे सर्व रिझन एअर पॉल्युशनचे होते. म्हणजेच हवा प्रदूषण करण्यासाठी हे घटक कारणीभूत असतात. सो स्टुडंट्स, effects of air pollution on plants and animals. On plants, first, stomata get closed. Second, slowing down of rate of photosynthesis. And third, growth is retarded. Leaves fall off or become yellow. On animals, first, respiration is adversely affected. And second is irritation of eyes. So, second is water pollution. Water is said to be polluted when it becomes unclean and poisonous due to mixing of natural or artificial unwanted material, when it becomes harmful to living organisms due to decreased oxygen content, when epidemic diseases are spread through the water, freshwater or marine water. Pollution includes physical, chemical and biological changes. म्हणजेच जल प्रदूषण नैसर्गिक व बाह्य घटकांच्या मिश्रणाने पाणी जेव्हा अस्वच्छ विषारी होते तेव्हा त्यातील ऑक्सिजन प्रमाण घटते व त्यामुळे सजीवांना अपाय होतो. साथीच्या रोगांचा फैलाव होतो. तेव्हा जलप्रदूषण झाले असे आपण म्हणतो. Reasons of water pollution. First, natural reasons. Second, man-made reasons. First is natural reasons. Aquatic weeds, depletion in O2 level, changes in natural qualities of water. Second, decomposing matter, decomposing bodies of plants, animals. Third, mud, sludge, river current and its diversion. And fourth, soil erosion. Many biotic and abiotic factors are added to water due to soil erosion. And fifth is microbes like fungi and bacteria grow on organic matter decaying in water. 6. Algae. Excessive algal growth pollutes water. 7. Nematodes. Soil nematodes flow in with rainwater. And man-made reasons. First is domestic sewage. Domestic sewage from villages and cities is disposed of in river water. Second, industrial effluent. Various pigments, bleaching chemicals, leather pieces, fibers, mercury, lead, etc. are released into water. Third, oil spillage. While transportation, cleaning of tankers, oil spills into water. And fourth, use of fertilizers and pesticides. NPK containing chemical fertilizers. Pesticides like andarine, chlorine, carbonate containing pesticides flow and mix with water. And fifth, other reasons. Disposals of human wastes, washing of clothes, decomposing hemp and flax in water, disposal of ashes, florals, offerings to God, water from thermal power plant etc. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ही सर्व कारणे वॉटर पोल्युशनसाठी कारणीभूत असतात. Effects of water pollution. First, effects on human being. Diseases like hepatitis, typhoid, diseases of skin and alimentary canal. Elements of liver, kidneys, brain, deformities in bones, hypertension. Second, effect on ecosystem. Retarded plant growth, loss of plant species, increase in salt content of water, decreased dissolved oxygen level, disturbance in aquatic ecosystem, death of aquatic animals, adverse effects on seabirds. And third, other effects. Changes in physical and chemical properties of water, changes in natural color and taste, useful aquatic fauna is destroyed, soil fertility is affected, टॉक्झिक मटेरियल्स आर ॲडेड टू क्रॉप्स. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, वॉटर पोल्युशन म्हणजेच जलप्रदूषणाचे हे ह्युमन बीइंग, इकोसिस्टीम अँड अदर इफेक्ट्स हे आपल्याला दैनंदिन जीवनामध्ये जाणवत असतात. त्याकरता वॉटर पोल्युशन होऊ नये याकरता आपण सर्वांनी काळजी घेतली पाहिजे. थर्ड इज सॉइल पोल्युशन. Soil is said to be polluted when there are changes in its physical, biological and chemical properties and its fertility decreases due to either natural or man-made reasons. म्हणजेच मातीतील भौतिक, जैविक व रासायनिक गुणधर्मात नैसर्गिकरित्या व मानवी कृत्यांमुळे जे बदल घडून येतात त्यामुळे तिची उत्पादकता कमी होते तेव्हा मृदा प्रदूषण झाले असे म्हणतात. इफेक्ट्स ऑफ सॉइल पोल्युशन. फर्स्ट, सॉइल फर्टिलिटी डिक्रीजेस ड्यू टू मिक्सिंग ऑफ salty, acidic water from industry. Second, radioactive and other pollutants enter and pass through food chain like the soil, crop, water and human body. And third effect, problem of water pollution increases due to soil pollution. Toxic substances leach into water. Similarly, diseases spread through various pathogens. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, हे होते सॉइल पोल्युशनचे इफेक्ट्स म्हणजेच मृदा प्रदूषणाचे परिणाम.